explore and love Lake Como in Italy with me? Hello guys, again from Lake Como. Today ready for sailing with Bellagiosailing and Captain Carlo. But let's first go and say hello in their office in Pescalo.
Buongiorno.
We're gonna be out there on the water on these two beauties, Bowie and Varenna.
Okay, so we're waiting for my friend Carlo. Ciao! So Carlo is coming, and now we are going, hopefully, to spend a few very pleasant hours on the lake. Let's go. Ciao Carlo! Bene, ci siamo. Grazie.
Immagino che attraccare in volta non è così. No, beh, ma figurati, si può fare.
Okay, we are going. Our captain is preparing the boat.
Ready to sail?
Yes, it's a fantastic day actually because first.
Yeah, we have a very nice breeze.
This morning they were a strange, not really
It was
nice.
a little foggy this morning.
Yes. But now it's like, ooh, perfect. Look at this. There is a fantastic wind.
Perfect. Hi everybody, we are leaving now from Pescalo Harbor. Pescalo is part of Bellagio. It's located on the east side of Bellagio, and it's a very old fisherman village. Imagine that long time ago, I mean many centuries ago, Pescalo was one of the most famous fish markets. The name Pescalo means, of course, fisherman village, because in Italian fishing is pescare. Quindi noi facciamo dei bordi, andare là, viriamo là sotto costa.
Siamo pronti, quando volete.
Now we are preparing sails, so we prepare the main sail, these sails, and we put it up, so ready to sail. Today we have a nice breeze around like 12 knots, that's quite good.
12, well,
Yes.
okay.
This boat is very special because it's also has some electric winch, so that's really amazing to sail alone. So I can do everything myself.
How easy and beautiful. Okay, Carlo. So like this we have more time for fun.
Oops!
Woo!
Wow!
Okay. Some water. It's bringing luck.
The peace of the water and the beauty of the nature of the lake are really breathtaking, and it's the perfect season. Everything is so green and you can still see some snow on the Alps. Wow, really nice. And then you don't have to think about the heavy traffic on the streets that we often get in the high season here on the lake, which is priceless.
Let me check. This one.
Oh, look at him. He's going. How was the name of the other boat?
The other boat is Stai Serena.
Stai Serena.
It's like, it means like be cool, relax.
Yeah, nice name. Next to Carlo, how is the name of this one?
This boat is Bowie.
Ah, Bowie.
Like not like David Bowie, but like the knife, famous in Caribbean. Taking out,
Bowie.
getting out the jib, so the front sail, the one in the front.
Oh, look at him. It's so beautiful. He has a very good wind, I see.
Yeah.
È bellissima! Wow! Our captain is doing everything alone. Woo!
Ready! Started! This is what I love. Moving without the engine.
Yeah, it's the perfect day, I guess.
It's great.
Yeah. How often you go? How often you have days like this here on the lake?
Almost every day. Even because if we don't have wind in this side, in this part of the lake, we can go up in the north and we are
Okay.
sure to find some wind. So
Oh.
all our guests can really enjoy it because we can always find some wind somewhere else in the lake.
Okay, perfect. Carlo, you were born here?
Not really. I was born in Monza. You know the town of the Grand Prix, the car race?
Yes. Monza,
Exactly.
Yes, of course. Ah, okay.
But I grew up here because this place has been the first place I started sailing with my uncle.
Ah,
I was only 11 years old
wow.
and I never stopped.
Yes.
Is it the first time on a sailboat? for you,
No,
Isadora?
I've been many
Okay.
times on vacations.
Silence and relaxing. Before I decided to start this activity in Lake Como, I have been a skipper for a long time, for 25 years. So I've been the captain of big yachts, motor yachts and sail yachts. And then in 2015, one of the owners of a yacht said, Carlo, I don't want to have any more boats, so it's better if you change your life or you search something different. And I started Bellagiosailing in Lake Como in 2016.
Wow.
You know, when I started, people, even at the hotel, they were saying, oh, I'm not sure that sailing could be
Yeah.
interesting for people, for guests coming to Lake Como. They usually prefer to be on a taxi, on a water taxi. Water taxi is a beautiful boat, of course,
Yeah.
but we are different. I mean, this experience is totally different.
Yeah.
You can spend a full day on the water. We can relax. You can eat on board. We can stop somewhere for swimming, so people can swim.
Do you think I can learn? It's something easy
Of course,
to learn.
everybody can learn. It depends on how long. I mean, how many days do you have? You have to learn.
Yeah. I mean, you took one life to learn.
Exactly.
The whole life. Probably you're still learning.
You know,
but
more than the Mediterranean Sea, if you want to be very precise, we can say that the Adriatic Sea, that is part of the
Adriatic,
Mediterranean,
okay.
is more difficult than the Mediterranean.
Okay.
The worst storms I had on the sea, they were in the Adriatic Sea.
Okay. And on the
Between-
lake?
On the
No?
lake also. On the lake you must be very careful. You have to watch all these mountains.
Okay.
If, for example, the mountain above Bellagio,
Yeah.
if that becomes quickly black and cloudy, that is a
Okay.
very bad signal. You have to go back.
Go back.
Go back
Immediately.
home, yes, because that means that
okay.
some very strong wind is coming.
Okay. Wow. Okay,
Remember.
I remember.
Now we are going to tack, so we are changing exactly in front of the bay.
Look at these houses. It's a dream. Huh? How much cost here, like the properties, Carlo?
Properties, you mean real estate?
Yes, real estate.
Quite a lot. I mean, in the last few years, prices of real estate raised a lot. Yes. For example, for a normal apartment, the usual price is like 6,000 euros per square meter.
Square meter, yeah.
Yes.
That's quite a lot.
But places like these are real gems to find, so let's enjoy our time fully. By the way, Carlo is a really pleasant person and a great captain. And if you want to check and have more information about the boat tours of Bellagiosailing, I will put their link down below in the description bar, so you can go and have a look.
Stai Serena, it's coming! Ma è bellissima! Hello, stai sereno! Wow. Ciao Michele!
Now we'll sail just in front of the iconic Bellagio. And then the smaller but so colorful and romantic Varenna. Look at these guys. I mean, this is a real, simple, wonderful, luxury Italian style, and I just love it.
Are you coming for the aperitivo?
You want to join us to drink something? Do you want to join us to drink a glass of Prosecco?
It's so beautiful, guys!
What do you prefer? We have different kind of wines. We have white wine, sparkling white wine, red wine, beer, any kind of soft drinks for kids, Coke Zero. It's a Prosecco, the famous Italian sparkling wine. There is a Prosecco coming from the area of Bellagio that is famous for Prosecco.
Yeah, Bellagio. That's all.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy you're enjoying this experience.
It's a fantastic day. Cheers, guys.
Enjoy.
Tell me a story. I love to hear the stories, and I know that each captain of a boat has a lot of stories to tell.
Yes, that's correct. I sailed a lot, many miles, so I have some stories, but probably the most interesting is connected to also the decision to be a skipper for my life. Imagine that when for my family, they plans were that I had to be a lawyer, and I decided not to be a lawyer.
A lawyer?
Ooh. So after the university, I decided to work for 6 months in an insurance company. And a friend called me and said, "Oh, there is a race, amazing race from Canada to Caribbean. We are absolutely to participate." And I could not because I started to work at an insurance company. So I decided to go in the mountains because I really wanted to be distracted, because I really wanted to do this race, and I could not. And imagine that the boat I had to be on sank in the middle of the Gulf of Lion in Central America. So imagine I was in the mountains, I switched on the television, I was watching the TV news, and I said, "Oh, I had to be on that boat." And some friends of mine died. Some friends of mine died because they were athletes or they were in very good shape. So probably I would not be here now.
Oh my God.
And imagine when that happened, my father said, so probably now you decide that you have to be a lawyer and you don't have to be a skipper. You don't have to be a skipper. And I said, no, Dad, I'm sure that I want to be a skipper. You can be any kind of skipper, man. You can, every time you start and you leave from the harbor, you have to be sure about the weather, about the conditions. That's the first thing. It's the most important thing. And that's what I did for all my life as a skipper. If I was not sure about the weather, I didn't leave the harbor before.
Yeah.
That is one of the stories, but I have so many that
Yeah.
I could talk for many hours.
I will come back. Oh, I want to
sure,
hear all your
I hope
stories.
you come back. I hope you come back.
I want
that
to
would
hear.
be a pleasure.
Oh, your stories.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can come with us on our next adventure. Bye guys, see you soon!